What's up? Y'all got lemonade? How much is your lemonade? $1. All right. $1.
What color would you want?
Let me do the pink one.
Good choice. Really good. Want change back?
What's up?
Want change back?
Nah, you keep it.
You're one of my first motorcycle people.
First order? All right, awesome. Thank you so much. I'm about to drink this all right now. Y'all take tips? Yeah? All right, here you go. Here's another tip.
I just want another one.
Nah, you can keep it. Take it easy now, all right? Alrighty, bye.
Wait, can I take a picture of you?
Yeah. All right, ready? Cool. All right, man, for sure. Have a good one. Bye. All right, later. Thank you.